Hi, I'm Kel from Promenaid, and I'm going to show you the Promenaid post. So if you need to mount a Promenaid handrail outdoors or anywhere where you don't have a wall to attach it to, you can use a Promenaid post. And the post is made of heavy gauge aluminum. It's an extrusion like the Promenaid handrail, and it's painted with a very strong powder coated finish, which is a dark charcoal gray, nice color that goes with all of the Promenaid handrail finishes. The other components in the post kit are the top, the base cover, the shims, and this vinyl insulator. So when you're mounting a post, you use the heavy-duty aluminum flange that's mounted on the bottom of the post, and you're attaching that to your floor surface. So depending on whether you're attaching to a wooden deck or a steel deck or a concrete or brick floor, you're going to use the fasteners that are appropriate for that installation. Promenaid doesn't supply the fasteners, but for a wood deck, for example, you can purchase lag bolts or through bolts at your local hardware store. And for concrete, we recommend expansion bolts, for which you drill a hole into the concrete, you drop the bolt in, and the threaded portion of the expansion bolt pops up through these holes in the Promenaid post flange. This flange is 5 inches square, and it has 4 holes for 3/8-inch fasteners. So when you've got the post positioned in the right place and the fasteners are attached, you can use these shims supplied with the post to get it perfectly vertical. And when the post is vertical and in the correct place, then you snap on the cover, 2 pieces that fit together. They clip permanently in place, and they'll nicely hide the fasteners to your deck or concrete surface. The cover is color keyed to match the painted finish of the post. And the other color key component is the top cap, which simply clips in place. And you take a plastic or rubber hammer and tap it down permanently. The only other component in the kit is this plastic spacer, which you would use if you're mounting an aluminum post to a steel deck. And the plastic spacer goes between the post and the deck to prevent a galvanic reaction between the aluminum and the steel. If you're not mounting to a steel deck, you don't need this piece. With the post in place in the right location, attach the brackets to the post as you would attach them to a wall, drill a 5/32 pilot holes for the 3 screws, and use the screws supplied with the brackets to attach the brackets to the aluminum post. Thanks for tuning in.